listen carefully, listen and watch, because you're going to learn a lot of stuff going on in the Forex market, and how you can benefit from taking trades off of the Forex market in the correct way. I decided to record this video from a request that came up on the channel about how you could grow an account systematically, safely, and grow it to a significantly large amount of money, which you can then start to live off of. Most of the people who come into the trading market and start trading, they come and trade without the proper knowledge or proper education. And so that is what I try to do on this channel, show you guys in a simple way how you can start to profit on the Forex market, and also make withdrawals every week, every month, or according to the schedule which you will choose according to the way you want it. But for me, I am mostly inclined into long-term trading, and I know you guys who are trading or who have been trading for some time, I know that you guys are also inclined a bit to a longer term or swing trading. Well, in saying this, I'm not saying that scalping is bad. Scalping is not bad at all. In fact, I also started out with scalping, and I know most of the people who go into the Forex market, they start out scalping. So today, as you guys saw in the title of the video, I just wanted to show you how I was able to grow an account from around 3 million to over 30 million Ugandan shillings. That would relate to about from about $900, $800, around $900 or $850 to about $8,000 or $8,500 if you translate it into dollars. So I'm just going to do a screen recording, or I'll go through some of the screen recordings that I've done throughout that time when I was growing this account, and I know you guys can be able to appreciate how this was all done. I think I'll put it up here. I'll put the screen recording up here so that you guys can see how it was. I'll just start from where the account was. So you can see here the account was at 3.192 million, 3,192,000, and I was actually floating a profit of 10,722,000, fluctuating here and there. And yeah, it was going up and down, and I had so many positions here. It's not that I didn't take these positions all at the same time. Some of these positions, you see, were held for quite some time. Yeah, for quite some time. Yeah, and that was the first recording that I had. I had so many trades. I had AUD USD, I had the Euro USD, and I was aiming at growing all of them to at least a standard lot size for each pair, but scaling in over a long period of time, not taking the whole position at once, but taking them slowly by slowly as the market retraces and I scale back in. So here on this screen recording here, the next one, this was I think after like 4 days, you saw that the account had grown now to 15 million floating profit. But when you look at the account balance, it had gone down to 2,051,000. That happened because I had actually closed out some of the trades which were not doing well, and that was the GBP JPY trades. I had closed them out. Yeah, but still you can see that the equity is at 17.2 million. So still we were growing, the account was growing, and yeah, I was quite excited actually on the journey growing this account. And I think you guys can see how possible it is to take a small account from, let's say, 1 million, 2 million, and grow it all the way to a large account which you can then be able to actually eat off of. So I'll just go to the next one. Here was the next 2 days. This screen recording is for the next 2 days after the previous one. You see that in the history I'd closed 2,036,000 on that day I closed, and in the week I'd actually closed for the week. I'd closed out some trades, as you saw, GPP made a withdrawal of 2.2 million and closed some other trades. So actually was floating 14.1 million at that time, not because it had reduced in value, but because I'd closed some of the positions which were running. Yeah, so you can see that the equity had gone up to 18.2 million at this time. And boy, I had held these trades hard. And at this point, we're actually at $1 lot size per pair. Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, USD CHF, all of them had at least a standard lot size. So this next recording, we are at 20 million, 23,000 floating like that. And you can see all of the positions now. When you total up the lot size, you find that the lot size brings each position at least a standard lot size for each pair rather. And now you can see my equity was at 24 million at this time. It was floating 24 million, and I was very excited for this amount of money, 20 million floating. It was it was a good time for me to have that 20 million floating. It was really interesting. So I'll just continue. And so this was the next day. The equity had jumped to 32 million. And I'd closed some more trades. So I was actually at 4 million. The balance would gone to 4 million. And I was anticipating to close out all these trades in profit. Yeah, it was a good thing. It was a very good thing, guys. As you can see in the screen recording, it was very good. This challenge that I put myself to actually taught me that when it comes to trading, you don't lose anything. You don't lose anything by scaling in positions. You don't lose anything by scaling in positions. What I mean is that when you come into the market, don't take a big lot size at once. Just take divide. For example, if you're planning to trade a dollar lot size, don't take the dollar lot size. Don't take the standard lot size all at once. What you have to do is just get the standard lot size and divide it about 10 times. Okay, then you can take a 0.1 lot size, a 0.1 lot size. Just keep scaling in as the market keeps going in your direction. That is the best way to do it. It helps you on your risk management. It helps you on your psychology. As you see the market retracing, it doesn't retrace with a very big drawdown. It allows you space for you to be able to breathe and also be able to add in a position to maximize on your profit while also taking care of your account. All right. So we had the next day here now, the screen recording, we had 35 million floating, and had 31 million of profit floating, but the equity was at 35 million, and this was, I think, the end of the end of it all. Then I didn't record the other parts of the video of these trades. I didn't record it because I didn't just get time to record it. But then that's the end of it all. You could see that I grew this account from a small account to a relatively big account within a space of about 2 weeks of holding these trades. So if you want to learn some of this content, guys, please don't forget to support this channel. We're a new channel and we're trying to grow to a considerably large audience, okay? And I know you guys will be blessed by the content. You really benefit a lot from the content, because I myself, when I started trading, I was going on YouTube and trying to find out how traders make money and how trading is done and all that. And I was getting some kind of sketchy information here and there, and I learned from it that it's hard to get really good information on internet for free. So when I came to make this channel, I came in to try to give you guys value the best I can, while also providing the best value for whatever you come to find on this channel. So please like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscription button down below, subscribe to the channel, and let the YouTube algorithm help us get to be found. Okay, so I would like to now conclude this video by showing you guys something else. I think I'll show you guys something else. Show it to you. All right, here. So here you can see that this on the previous video that I posted for you guys, I showed you this account and it was floating within 1,100 1,032 US dollars, but you can see we are progressing. This is where the account is at the moment. Okay, it is growing. So the long-term approach towards trading is the best approach. It is relaxed, it gives you time to think, and it gives you time to enjoy the rest of your life without having yourself glued onto the charts and always looking at the laptop. Okay, it's not a good thing to always be on the laptop or be on the screens looking at the charts. Okay, it will give you a really serious problem mentally and also psychologically. Okay, so with that being said, I think I'll end the video here, but guys, please support the channel. I'll be bringing you more of the analysis videos in the later videos. Okay, I'll bring you the analysis videos later on, but for now, like you guys to support the channel. Support it by liking the videos, subscribing, and sharing this content. Until next time, it's been your boy Matt from Mighty Pips. Peace.